Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to create this 3D object with the available dimensions, and we will learn some basic commands like extruded bow space, extrude cut, and mirror the entities, mirror the features, etc. In this object, we can see the cylindrical hole here, rectangular hole, and some cuts and inclined faces also. This rectangular hole is 4 mm above this corner and dimensions is 14 by 20. The uh, half circle cut is radius 18. This corner point is 30 mm from this top, and this height is 8 mm only. Let's start. Go to part file and create a new part file. I choose the plane white for the clear appearance. Go to front plane and simply draw a random line here. Now we are going to learn some relations. Click the center point, press Ctrl key in this origin point to provide the coincidence relation. Click OK. Smart dimension it and dimension this is a 90 mm length. Click OK. Again draw a line here. Practice the same relations. Select this point, press Ctrl key and select the origin. This time provide the vertical relation. Now define the height. This one is see in the drawing 42 plus 8. You can directly provide the 42 plus 42 plus 8. Other dimensions also you can provide like this. The total height is 50. You can zoom in. Now draw a center line here. We are creating this central line because we are going to mirror these entities, these heights here, the 30 mm below from this top. So select a line here, draw a line 30 mm, exit the sketch. Now draw a vertical line 10 mm above and connect these 2 points. Exit the sketch. Now you don't have to create this sketch in another right side part. You just copy it to the another part. For this, take a mirror entities to mirror, select one by one, or you can select the by dragging down the cursor. Mirror about this central line. Now the basic basic shape is completed. Go to feature and extrude it. You can extrude blind, or you can use the mid plane. I am going to use mid plane. The extruded width will be 40 mm. Provide the 40 mm extrude. Click OK. Now the basic shape is ready. Now we are going to create this half circle cut. Radius is 18 mm. Go to this face and normal. Select a circle here and from the origin point draw the radius of length 18. The radius, check the radius. Here is the diameter is 18. So the radius 18 means diameter will be 36. Click OK, go to feature. Now we have to cut through all. This time take extruded cut command and select through all in direction 1. Click OK. Now we will cut this 10 by this unknown height. So the width is 20, 10 by 20 is the dimension. Go to this face, select a normal. Now sketch, take a corner or center rectangle, any one you want. Simply draw a rectangle. Now dimension it. This dimension is 20 and this one is 10. Now you can position this rectangle here. Select this point and this origin point. Make the relation horizontal. Again select this point and this point to provide the vertical. Now the rectangle comes to the edge. Now sketch is complete. Go to feature. You can rotate the view. Extruded cut, and through all this time also click OK. Now this shape is created. Now you don't have to create this shape in the another part, just mirror it. This time you have to go to the mirror command, select a mirror and plane. This one is the mirror about, which is the reference of this plane, so we will choose the right plane. The feature to mirror this latest extruded cut. You can see the preview here. Click OK. Now this shape is also created. This one is a complex object, so you have to be careful. Now we are going to create this slot cut. This one is 10 by 8 and through all. Go to this feature. Now again take the rectangle command. Draw a rectangle here. Now dimension it as a no, not this one. From this point this is only 8 and this one is 10. 8 by 10. Perfect. Go to feature and extrude cut through all. Click OK. Now this slot is ready. Now again we have another slot. This one is 40 by 8. Let's go to this face, normal. Sketch again a center rectangle here. Exit the sketch, go to small dimension to take a length as a 40. Small dimension. The length is 40. Again the height is 8 mm only. Rotate the view. Go to feature and extrude cut through all. Click OK. Now the upper structure is ready. See the 3D drawing. Here is a 30 mm diameter circle through all. So go to this face, normal, and select a circle here. From origin in the center, dimension it is 18 mm diameter. Click OK. Not the 18 mm, 13 mm diameter. Now go to feature, rotate the view, extrude cut through all, click OK. This one is ready. Now we have another cut. This one is 14 by 20 and through all. The height is 4 mm from this corner. So go to this face, normal. Again create a rectangle here. Now dimension 8 and distance from this point to this edge only 4. The 14 is the height. 14 is the height. And 20 is the length. Click OK. Again provide a relation. This point, control key, and this point to make the vertical. Perfect. Rotate the view. Go to feature and again extrude cut. Click OK. Now everything is ready. We will compare this final product with a drawing. Let's compare it. This one is 10 mm in, 10 mm height. And this corner is 4 mm from this corner. This circular cut, rectangular cut, everything is perfect. This one is the final drawing. You can provide the appearance of the material. For this you can provide the any material here. You can drag it. You can see to change the appearance of the color. Select solid body, go to appearance, and you can provide some colors also. Looks beautiful. This one looks good. Click OK. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more exercises. Thank you.